Welcome to the Drone Mission Converter. This is an Android application that runs on Android phones. This enables you to create a 2D or 3D mapping mission on an enterprise controller, download that to the phone, convert it so that it can then be flown on a consumer drone, something like the Mini 4 Pro or the Air 3S. You can also create from scratch 2D or 3D mapping missions to be flown on consumer drones, and you can save the actual mapping mission and reopen it later. And in some circumstances you can actually transmit the created / converted missions straight to the RC2 Pro controller, or you copy the missions via your PC to the required controller. One thing I must apologise for throughout these videos is that I frequently call missions flights. So yeah, if you hear the word flight, I really mean mission in the vast majority of times. In fact, all times apart from when I refer to a pre-mission flight. Okay, well, I hope you find this useful and enjoy the rest of the videos.